Right now, today, I am gonna clean my car like a pro. So I clean my car a lot, but usually I do kind of a bad job. So as you can see right now, the car is in disarray. It is so dirty, it needs some TLC, and that's what I am going to do today. I'm going to start with this cleaner and brush to scrub inside the doors. You just spray it on and brush it in. It foams up nice with this brush and it is so satisfying. This cleaner works on most surfaces and is safe for vinyl, rubber, plastic, fabrics, and carpet. After the doors, I move inside to the center console. I spray it on the armrest and inside the cup holders. I even spray it around the seat warmers, being careful not to overdo it. Again, brush it in, wipe it away, along with all that dirt and grime as well. Now it's time to clean the upholstery, and I do that with the Hoover Clean Slate Portable Carpet Cleaner. I did a full video using this vacuum if you want to check that out next. For this, you spray down the seats and scrub to loosen the dirt. Once finished, you extract all that crud out of your seats. This cleaner will leave your seats looking fresh and smelling great too. Now I vacuum the carpet using the shop vacuum. Sometimes you'll get hair and other dirt that's really hard to pick up. I found that using a brush attachment for your drill helps loosen that dirt, making it easier to suck up. Don't forget to clean the hidden nooks and crannies like this area next to the seats in the back. One thing that I love is using this cleaner to scrub the air vents. Before this cleaner, it was really hard to do this, but now it's so easy and it is so worth it when you are finished. The final touch is cleaning the glass. I found that this aerosol glass cleaner made by Sprayway works so good and it is streak-free. I use it on all my glass, windows, and mirrors. That's it. All I have to do now is clean the outside of my car. For that, I'm going to take it to the car wash down the street. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning.